Good morning. I sent this message to a lady called Claudia Winkleman. She's a British TV presenter. Last time I was talking about, I saw you advert, I saw something, a topic about you talking about menopause, and I was in my house, I was talking about why certain women make menopause a problem or is an illness. Or I don't think menopause is you're grown up, you're old, so is your period to have menopause. You're not going to have children no more. So if you like to have children when you were young and you find menopause, it's not like you're supposed to start crying for that, because menopause is nature. You know what I mean? You grow old. Now, that message, I think I saw somewhere, I was reading on the news. Someone said that I was insulting the people in menopause or something like that. Oh no, but it was an opinion, because I heard that from Claudia Winkleman, and I was in my house, but I know the echo. You know, along north, south, east, west neighbors. You know what I mean? I think they let it out. Somebody wrote about that. They say insult people in menopause. No, but I think menopause is in nature.